Hello, I would like to welcome Cohort Spring 2024 class and congratulate you on your new position with the Fairfax Community Services Board. As you embark on your new journey as a support coordinator, your learning journey will be classes in person where you will be provided with the knowledge needed to carry out the functions of your job. We will be using the learning management system, Google Docs. This is where what you see on the screen. This is where you will find assignments and quizzes. Some of your assignments will also include responses, and the resources to complete the responses will all be on the learning management system. You should have received the link to access Google Docs. It's important to note that you will need to have a Google email account, also known as Gmail. Today, I will walk you around the learning management system. You will be first asked to join the class, and you want to select the blue tab that asks you to join the class. You will then be directed to the home page. If you see the tabs at the top, you will see one for Stream, Classwork, and People. The Stream tab shows if any activity or announcements have been made by the instructor. The next tab that is labeled Classwork is where you will find assignments for Module 1 and in the future, Module 2. The course is a total of 4 weeks broken into 2 modules. When clicking on the classwork, you will see the syllabus, and you will see the learning outcomes. When you scroll further down, you will see the first module. The first assessment is to write a reflection on a day in the life. The link to the video has been provided with instructions. There's also a grading rubric. Where it tells learners what they will be assessed on. We will be reviewing the first module. If you click here, this is for readers to read a document. For what you see in the screen, you're able to click around to find what is due. It goes in descending order. Then finally, the last tab is where you can see other classmates who are in your cohort. Good luck, and please reach out if you have any questions on the utilization of the e-learning system.